130 million miles from Earth, something is happening, something that should not exist. An object the size of Manhattan, moving at more than 210,000 kilometers per hour, is tearing through the space between planets. It releases streams of glowing metallic vapor, wrapped in a carbon dioxide haze thicker than water ice. And recently, it survived a direct hit from one of the most powerful plasma storms the Sun has produced this year. This object is named 3I Atlas, the third interstellar visitor humanity has ever observed. But what it is doing forces us to consider a possibility once reserved for science fiction. Either everything we know about comets is wrong, or 3I Atlas is showing us a kind of behavior we have never witnessed before. Hello, I'm Veliron. Today, we're going to explore one of the most controversial cosmic mysteries of 2025, a visitor that is pushing the boundaries of what we understand about comets, astrophysics, and the very origins of planetary systems. On October 27th, 2025, 3I Atlas reached the closest point to the Sun in its orbit. At that exact moment, a massive coronal mass ejection, a colossal wall of plasma carrying the energy of millions of nuclear explosions, rushed straight toward it. A strike like that is enough to tear apart, melt, or blow away most comets approaching the Sunday. The majority would fragment, vaporize, or at the very least deviate significantly from their expected trajectory. But 3I Atlas did nothing. No deviation, no fragmentation, no change in speed. It simply continued as if nothing had happened. Scientists described the moment with one sentence: it didn't even budge. For an object only a few kilometers wide to endure such an impact and maintain its precise orbit, it must possess a structural integrity never before seen in any comet. But the strangest mystery had appeared even earlier. At 4 AU from the Sun, where the cold is so extreme that most comets remain dormant, telescopes detected something impossible: a plume of hot nickel vapor. Nickel only vaporizes at temperatures near 3,000 degrees Celsius. At that distance, 3I Atlas should be below 150 degrees Celsius. So what could possibly heat metal into vapor in deep space? And that wasn't the only anomaly. While nickel appeared clearly in the data, there was absolutely no trace of iron-2 elements that always occur together in natural cosmic materials. A nickel-iron separation like this has never been seen before. It fits none of our existing chemical models. Some researchers proposed the idea of exotic molecules from another stellar system, molecules that might break apart easily under ultraviolet light. It sounds plausible, but no real example of such compounds has ever been found. Then the James Webb Space Telescope revealed something that overturned everything we thought we understood. Instead of making up 80–90% of its composition like in solar system comets, water on 3I Atlas is only secondary. Its dominant component is frozen carbon dioxide. This could only happen if it formed in an ultra-cold region, far colder than anything comparable in our own solar system. It's possible that 3I Atlas was born in an environment so cold, water froze too late. CO2 became the main ingredient, and the entire structure remained locked in ice for billions of years. Some scientists even suggest it may have formed before the Sun itself. In September 2025, telescopes captured something that stunned the scientific community. 3I Atlas developed an anti-tail, a tail pointing directly toward the Sunday. Anti-tails were once explained as optical illusions caused by viewing angles, but the anti-tail of 3I Atlas intensified, changed structure, and then rotated in ways no physical model predicted. Some researchers described it as a form of controlled behavior. It is most likely a natural effect, but the resemblance to steering is too striking to ignore. Its trajectory only deepens the intrigue. The path of 3I Atlas takes it, sweeping close to Mars, passing near Jupiter, crossing the region of Venus, and finally exiting the solar system. This looks almost identical to a gravity assist survey route. the kind of trajectory an interstellar probe might use to gain momentum from major planets. No one is saying 3I Atlas is a spacecraft, but the coincidence is undeniably strange. Yet there is an even more compelling possibility. 3I Atlas is completely natural, but from a star system with completely different conditions. If its formation temperature was different, its dust composition was different, its radiation environment was different, its early planetary system scattered material differently, then everything we see as abnormal might be perfectly normal where it originated. Every interstellar comet is like a letter sent from a distant stellar system, and 3I Atlas is the clearest letter we have ever received. Interstellar objects are not just chunks of ice and rock. They carry amino acids, organic precursors, prebiotic materials. If 3I Atlas can reach our solar system, then comets from our solar system can reach others as well. The universe is not isolated. It is a vast network of material exchange spanning billions of years. It is entirely possible that life on Earth once received organic material from another star, or that Earth has sent material to faraway worlds. 3I Atlas is living evidence of that cosmic exchange. By 2025-2026, the Vera Rubin Observatory will begin operating with the ability to detect 1 or 2 interstellar objects each year. Instead of 3 visitors in 8 years, we will soon have dozens. NASA, ESA, China, and Russia have all proposed missions to chase interstellar visitors. If detected early enough, a probe could fly alongside, sample their gases, capture close-up images, or even land on an interstellar object. For the first time in history, humanity may touch material from another star. Whether the 12-mile Mars images are ever released or not, whether we answer all the questions or not, 3I Atlas has already changed how we see the universe. It reminds us that the universe is far larger than our models. Anomalies are not errors, but opportunities to learn. We are still standing at the threshold of true understanding, and every interstellar visitor is a teacher. 3I Atlas may leave the solar system in a few months. It will fade, disappear, and return to the darkness between the stars. But it leaves behind a legacy, curiosity, new questions, and the certainty that we live in a far more interconnected universe than we ever imagined. Thank you for joining Veliron on this journey to explore 3I Atlas, one of the most mysterious objects ever to pass near our world. If you want to continue exploring the universe and unraveling mysteries that still have no answers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Veliron, so you won't miss any future journeys among the stars. See you in the next video. The universe is full of wonders, and we are only just beginning.